In today's digital age, YouTube stands as a dominant platform for creative expression, entertainment, and information, hosting millions of content creators aiming for fame. The allure of becoming a YouTube star, with the potential for widespread influence and substantial earnings, entices many. However, the path to YouTube stardom is fraught with challenges and intense competition. This article introduces the 30 Days to Fame Challenge, a strategic, intensive guide designed to maximize your chances of success on YouTube in just 1 month. Week 1. Laying the foundation. Day 1 to 3. Market research and niche selection. Begin your YouTube journey with thorough market research. Identify trending topics, underserved niches, and content gaps within your areas of interest. Utilize tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search bar autocomplete feature to gauge popular search queries. Selecting a niche where you can offer unique value is crucial. Day 4-6. Crafting your brand. Your YouTube channel should reflect a distinct brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Decide on your channel name, design a memorable logo, and create an engaging banner. Your brand should communicate your channel's theme and what viewers can expect from your content. Day 7. Setting up your channel. With your niche and brand established, set up your YouTube channel. Optimize your channel description with keywords related to your niche to improve search visibility. Create a compelling channel trailer that highlights what your channel offers and encourages viewers to subscribe. Week 2. Content Creation Kickoff. Day 8-10. Content Planning. Plan your content calendar for the next 3 weeks. Brainstorm video ideas that align with your niche and audience interests. Organize your ideas into a content schedule, allocating specific days for filming, editing, and publishing. Day 11-14. Start filming. Dive into content creation. Focus on producing high-quality videos that provide value, whether through entertainment, information, or inspiration. Pay attention to lighting, audio quality, and video framing. Initially, aim to create and stockpile a few videos to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Week 3. Optimization and engagement. Day 15-17. Video optimization. Optimize your videos for YouTube's algorithm by focusing on SEO, search engine optimization. Conduct keyword research for your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use engaging thumbnails that stand out and accurately represent the video content. Write compelling video titles and descriptions that incorporate your keywords naturally. Day 18-21, Social Media Integration. Leverage social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel. Share your videos on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and any other platforms where your target audience is active. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, both on YouTube and social media. Week 4. Analysis and growth. Day 22-24. Analyzing performance. Use YouTube Analytics to evaluate the performance of your videos. Look for patterns in viewer engagement, watch time, and subscriber growth. Identify which types of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Day 25-27. Collaboration and networking. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations can expose your channel to a wider audience and foster community relationships. Attend YouTube or industry-related events, either virtually or in person, to network with fellow creators. Day 28-30. Reflect and refine. Reflect on your progress and the feedback received from your audience. Use this insight to refine your content and strategy. Set new goals for the next 30 days, considering more ambitious content projects or ways to enhance your channel's quality and engagement. Tips for success. Consistency is key. Stick to your content calendar and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Consistency aids in building a loyal audience. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with your viewers through comments, live streams, and social media. Viewer engagement increases loyalty and watch time, which are crucial metrics for YouTube's algorithm. Quality over quantity. Focus on producing high-quality content that adds value to your audience, rather than trying to publish videos frequently at the expense of quality. Continuous learning. The digital landscape and YouTube's algorithm are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest trends, algorithm changes, and content strategies by following reputable YouTube gurus and forums. Conclusion. The 30 Days to Fame Challenge offers a structured approach to launching your journey towards becoming a YouTube star. While instant fame is unlikely, this challenge sets the foundation for growth and success on YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a continuous effort to improve and adapt. By following this 30-day challenge, you embark on a thrilling journey of creativity, learning, and connection. Embrace the process, remain authentic to your vision, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of bringing your unique contributions to the vast world of YouTube. Comment, share, subscribe. Watch links in the bio and make sure you share video on all. Social media platforms.